Hey guys, welcome to Unbox News, a new episode, but this time not an unboxing. This time it's a review about one of the videos, the Drone X Pro. A lot of weird comments, nice comments, bad comments, we'll talk about it. And I want to tell you, like, it's been 6 months, almost 7 months, since I've started the YouTube channel Unbox News and the Instagram. If you haven't subscribed yet, just do it now. Keep on watching this video because after the introduction we tell you my story, why I started this YouTube channel, and we talk about some of the amazing, crazy comment that you posted on the Drone X Pro right here. Guys, before I tell you about my story, I just want to say stay till the end of the video because the winner of the Ulefone Note 7 will be announced at the end. As you know, my name is Patrick Ago and I am from France. Je suis de la France. Anyways, I studied filmmaking and video editing. So you can check my first YouTube channel, it's Patrick Ago. You'll see the link in the description. And you can see some of my work that I post just to get some client to send them the link so they can see the videos that I shoot and edit. Well, I like to have fun and I like to shoot, so I combined both of them and I see that YouTube has a lot of opportunities that you can express and do whatever you like for people, and most of them, they like it. Some will not like it, but we will work on it so everyone will like it. It's just for fun, guys. So I created the Unbox News with one of my friends who gave me the idea of the name. He knows who he is. Anyway, so we're working together. And then on January 4th, 2019, I decided to post my first YouTube video on Unbox News. First, for technology lovers, any technology, and then for fun. Like my twin, we're having fun creating these videos, crazy moment, very funny moment. Let's go for the Drone X Pro. Guys, this video, one of the most seen videos of my YouTube channel for now, and it has a lot of comments from everyone. Some they like it, some they don't like it. So this video is more for those who didn't like. Anyways, I just want to say the Drone X Pro, whether it's good, whether it's not, I'm not here to judge. I just do unboxing, not a review. If you need me and if you want me to have fun and do unboxing and reviews, just comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I think it's time to subscribe. Anyways, so this is what I wanted to say. My YouTube channel is called Unbox News, not review news. Right, guys? It's unboxing. For that being said, I just wanna read some of the comment on the Drone X Pro video. Check it out. So the video has of the day of shooting for 7,330 views, 61 comments. So if you go to the comments, let's go first at the first comment. A drone review where you don't show it flying, don't show footage taken from drone, useless. Yes, it is useless because it's not a review. It's an unboxing. Anyways, it was just one Drone X Pro website and it said it has 6 hours of battery. Like, I mean, that's normal questions. And I replied on it. Let's move on. Annoying intro. Annoying. You're annoyed? Good. Worst reviewing start. Unbox News. Again. Anyway, so Sir Thomas Kumado said, "You show us how to take it out of the box, you idiots. You just wasted my time." Good! I just want to... And thanks for the idiots. No, you're not the only one, but anyway, thanks. Shit video, your friend needs his own channel. Me. Thank you. Fuck your dance and your accent. Oh, do my accent is very bad and you didn't like my dance? Check it out. Oh yeah, you like it? Oh. Unbox Muse guy. This channel is for being idiots. For you guys. Yeah. Alright, so Tony, it's the biggest piece of garbage. Wasted money on it. Came in super late, and when I got it going in parts would just fall apart. When I finally got it ready to fly, it flew far, far away by itself and never responded to control. Do not buy it. Crap. Literally. For being like, honestly, it's true. The product is not amazing. I'm sorry about that, but the product exists. Like I have some of the comment. I don't know if I can find it. Yeah, this one, yet another fake lying advertising ad on Facebook. This one is utter garbage. Facebook has become the leading platform for fake, misleading, etc, etc. So I replied to this guy. He's very nice, and I promised him to do this video. And honestly, it's not fake. First, because it's here, and Tony bought it. He got it. It doesn't work perfectly, and the feed is not perfect. The image quality is shit, honestly. Now I'm doing the review, guys. Yeah. When you start the drone, it takes up very fast and it goes away, and then you have to push back the controller so it, well, stabilize. It's not really nice. So it's from Crackerjack. Stupid video, couple clowns. You guys don't show anything relevant at all. Great, but did you watch other videos? Like this one is, I don't know, maybe months and months ago. I have worked my accent. I have worked how I speak to the camera. I have worked a lot. I'm working a lot. Seriously, I'm giving a lot of time for YouTube channel Unbox Muse and Unbox Muse Instagram. Oh, and I don't know, guys. Like you say I'm an idiot. I don't know. Does any idiot eat lemon like this? I don't understand. I think this one. You think it's tasty? I don't know. You wanna try? No. That's really tasty. I mean, when you wanna do an unboxing, it's for doing YouTube channel for something you can do. So you watch someone idiots like me to eat weird things. Should I eat this? Why? Let me tell you something, guys. I will eat this for you to prove you that I forgive you, and you can keep on posting any comment you want because it's freedom. YouTube is freedom. That's great. This is why I like YouTube. Anyway, guys, so the winner of the Ulefone Note 7 is Daniel AK. Ooh, congrats! Oh, some don't like my dance, but I wanna dance. Daniel, you're the winner. You're the winner. Anyway, please send me a DM on Instagram, Unbox Muse, so I can communicate with you to tell you how to get the Ulefone Note 7 and a t-shirt for you. Not this one, because this one is for me. Another one, a new one, a clean one, because I'm sweaty. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope for this video we will reach the 1000 subscriber. Anyway, thanks for everyone watching. Subscribe or not subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. Comment anything you want. I will see you the next week for a new video with my twin. Oh, you. This is for you.